Installation steps. Open the recovery tank and check whether the battery lead is connected to the power supply of the machine. After the inspection is completed, install the recovery tank and reinstall the suction pipe. Attach the buckle. Install and remove the brush. Adjust the angle of the handle. Press down the handle to make the machine cover directly above the brush plate. Press the start button, close the handle switch of the handle, and the brush rotates to complete the brush installation work. Replace the brush plate and adjust the angle of the handle to lift the front of the machine. Press and hold a key to start for 5 seconds, then it can fall off. Choosing the right brush plate can complete the cleaning task more efficiently. Add water and add cleaning agent. Add water to the clean water tank. When cleaning oily and dirty floors, you can add a proper amount of detergent solution and defoaming agent. Cleaning operation. Turn on. Put down the squeegee to start cleaning. After cleaning, turn off the machine and put away the squeegee. Clean the recovery tank. Unscrew the lid to discharge sewage. Open the cover of the recovery tank and rinse the inside of the recovery tank with clean water until it is clean. Check if the float is blocked and make sure it is clean. Close the lid when you are done. Squeegee maintenance and replacement. Adjust the handle to a suitable operating angle. Press the handle firmly to lift the front of the machine. Unscrew the 2 fixing screws in the middle of the squeegee. Loosen the suction pipe to remove the squeegee. Unscrew the stainless steel plate screw and remove the rubber strip. Open the stainless steel plate screw and remove the rubber strip. There are 4 sides of the rubber strip available. If one side is worn out, the other side can be replaced. Install the rubber strip to the corresponding hole and press the fixed steel plate. Tighten the fixing screws. Reinstall the fixing screws of the squeegee and connect the suction pipe. At this point, the installation and maintenance of the squeegee is completed. Charge. First, install the charger and plug it into the charging port of the machine. Plug in the charger. The red indicator light flashes, it means charging. Until the green indicator light is always on, it means charging is complete. Alright, thanks for watching.